To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings. As you will see, this is a visualization that uses sports-related imagery. If that doesn't work for you, you can use flowers of different sizes. Spend at least a couple of minutes on each size, but if you can manage longer, give it a try. State your aspiration for this meditation. It can simply be, may I feel calmer. Some other ideas may be, may I be kind to myself and others. May I forgive myself. May I feel happier. Bring your awareness into the area of your heart. Visualize a tiny ball of light the size of a mustard seed in the center of your chest. It can be a peachy golden color with hints of pink like actual peach skin. This light is filled with loving kindness for yourself and all beings. If the ball feels a bit tight or strange, try picturing a moving, warming, gentle flame. Once you've established this, expand your loving kindness light to be the size of a marble. Remember, you are not responsible for keeping this light blazing. It is happening with or without you. You are simply being present for it. Once you feel established with the marble size, expand to the size of a squash ball. Feel the indiscrimination of light and warmth. Like sunlight, it shines on you and heats you, regardless of what you have or haven't done. Now let your loving kindness light expand to the size of a tennis ball. When you're ready, move to a size of a volleyball, then a basketball, a medicine ball, a beach ball, then start allowing this light of loving kindness to expand beyond your body. Always remain centered in your heart, but allow the loving kindness to grow outwards. Expand outwards so that your ball fills the whole room, the city or town you live in, the whole island or continent you live on, the planet Earth, space. Finally, expand the loving kindness to all the planets. Make note of which ball or flower sizes you cannot do and allow interest into this. If you don't wish to extend the light past your body, don't push it. It's totally fine to give the loving kindness to your body. When you're finished, dedicate the merits of this practice to all beings. We meditate for the sake of all sentient beings, big and small, visible and invisible. Before you get up, do a short review of your practice. What went well? What was challenging? What came up for you? Note it and then let it go.